So from this is my online Nettech sketch, and in this my video I am a completely course startup already created a lot of video computer hardware course related. Okay, so today I am just discuss only CPU related more information. So watch my previous video. What is a computer and many computer types, so supercomputer, what is a mainframe computer, what is an embedded computer. I've already created on these computer related everything information. Okay, so watch and understand about what is a LED and how this LED working. So I'm already created an LED related video. Okay, what is the LED screen of resolution and how you are using a LED and a plasma display, how this plasma display system start and using here. Okay, OLED technology, how work and how you using system. This is a very important for understand about OLED technology. So I'm already created OLED related everything information. Okay, so this is a very important for understand about why use CPU. Okay, so before using watch my previous video, what is the CPU? Okay, so this is very important for understand about what is a CPU. Okay, without this video, don't watch my second part of CPU. Either you cannot understand about CPU related. Okay, so what is a CPU? And I am already told you all two new type of generation CPU system technology. Okay, so you can see why use the CPU. Second point of CPU related information. So let's start and understand about why use CPU in a computer system. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So why this type online interest discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
here
friend,
and
this is a
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. You can see this is control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operation 7, 8, 9, Windows 10,
so friend, this is
every
a
your operating system you can control using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related, what is a Windows 7, what is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit, what is a 32-bit. So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time
so
I'm
friend, this is a my online.
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So first understand about the form, design and implementation of CPU have changed over the course of their history, but their fundamental operation remains almost unchanged. This is very understand about form and design changing and implementation some change up by computer engineers, and CPU have changes over to their history because old generation type of very big type of computer, and it was not uh, more compatible for more compared to this generation because old generation type of computer 19, 1955 1956, it was very power consume, not more reply, and not their reply for a different type of communication and other type of data of changeable. Okay. So today this type generation, this is a CPU, this is a processor, this is a very modern type of technology. You can then look at this form, design and implementation. So this is a one type of showing up here. This is a one type of a CPU central processor unit, and this processor is a very very small, tiny, and cheap type of a system. Not more using of power more to consume compared to old generation type of a CPU, old generation type of computer. So almost this type of CPU using a modern generation type of motherboard, and a lot of research on old generation on different type of change up by generation type of system. So old generation time using vacuum tube technology, but today we are using a transistor. A lot of thousand of million of transistor using in one chip you can see here. So understand about what is a fundamental operation remains almost unchanged. So this is very important for principal component of a CPU include the arithmetic logic unit. It's called ALU. A lot of people not understand about what is how this how this CPU working, and how main principle is include arithmetic logic unit means one type of data, any type of data, picture, song, music, your file, folder, any your data, perform arithmetic and logic operation, processor register. This is a very important for. So this is a arithmetic and logic operation. All computer control parts, function, program, data, and computer user instruction through work with implement. Any you are working your computer, your control parts like mouse, keyboard, your motherboard, everything control parts by central processor unit. Second is a function. You are a function start up, on, shut down, everything. This is a one type of that is a important work by main CPU. Third is a program. You are using Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Mac OS, Linux operating system, any your operating system. That is a one type of program. This is a main of system program. Second is you are install Windows, Microsoft Office, you are Notepad, Photoshop, any your program. So that is an instruction one type of you create a different type of files. It was the data. So how this CPU is important of part role, and for this computer instruction, computer user instruction. So you are any type of file, right click, open file, right click, create a new folder. You are a creator any type of uh, you know uh, music, videos, and programs and functions, everything software. That is a very important for understand about the instruction. Without instruction you cannot startup, and this is a very important for a process. Every computer processed by CPU chip. Okay, so this is a very important of network computer system. Okay, so that supply operation operates the ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Okay, and store the result of ALU operation. Okay, so ALU, arithmetic logic unit, is one type of CPU programs, very important for arithmetic system. Okay, and control unit is orchestrate uh, the fetching from memory and execute the instruction. Okay, so CPU have one type of a memory, L1 L2 cache memory. I will discuss in some video what is the cache memory, but understand about without the memory CPU not instruction give not controlling. I'm told you last previous video, CPU processor work in binary code. Okay, 0 and 1. Okay, so all of instruction, all of the bit binary code, 32-bit, how working, how execute. So that is all of a fetching of a data in memory, CPU memory. Okay, so this is all of a control unit of control every computer of a part, programs, data, computer user instruction and function, everything by computer, this CPU processor chip. Okay, so instruction by directing coordinate is the operation of the ALU. Okay, so this is a one type of ALU, arithmetic logic unit. That is a one type of a part of processor and inbuilt by computer CPU processor engineer in only computer this processor chip, register and other computer. So some register and in this component in CPU and other component like some small capacitors, small transistors and register. Okay, this is a very of a micro technology microsystem, and you cannot watch by your eye because need to microscopic system, microscopic machine. So this is a very microscopic micro technology using, same as it is any your motherboard. You are using any company motherboard. So I'm just showing this is a motherboard showing up here in this time you can see here. So you can see here my CPU set here. Okay, so this is a modern type of motherboard. Okay, you can see here, and without motherboard you cannot start your CPU because CPU all of function, all of controlling, all of part communication and all of instruction by need to motherboard and again reply to on motherboard. Okay, so that is a very important for, without motherboard CPU not work and without CPU motherboard not work. Okay, this is a very important of part. This is a central processing unit of a part. Okay, so any you are watching video, any one type of part of through communication by one to another side. So this is a very important controlling of all of a computer series is a very important part of chip motherboard of CPU. Okay, so this is a old generation type of computer, and this is a inside of some build very large type of a motherboard. Okay, and this is you can see small computer, you can see in one hand, but old generation 1956. Okay, two room to one computer. Okay, so this is a very large of and very consume power, not more give reply and not store more data. Okay, so this is one type of very compared to this time you know computer. So this is very slow, and this is analog system. Okay. So first is created this type of CPU. Okay. Second generation. Okay. Second generation side you can see this type of small of IC chips. Okay. And you can see up this is a third and fourth type. Third generation inside you can see this is a microscopic chip, and this is a first of created CPU of computer. Okay. And after one by one this modern type of chip. Okay. So I will discuss in one by one detail, but I'm just showing in this time in video why using a CPU. So CPU is all of control parts, functions, programs, data, computer instruction, everything work, everything implementation by only CPU. This is a very important to understand about. And all CPU reply and give instruction, receiving and everything communication by motherboard. Okay, this is a very important. And motherboard is one type of part of computer, heart of motherboard. Okay, this is a heart of computer, this is a brain. Okay, so understand about motherboard. Why called motherboard? Motherboard is all of component of built on this type of system board. Okay, this type of designing I will discuss in CPU after new type of create discuss a topic motherboard related everything information, but today I'm just showing this is a motherboard. You can see here. So you can see here I'm again to these types fourth generation, third generation of motherboard. You can see here. So this is a motherboard technology is you can see this is this side of Intel company, set this you are add and set on this side CPU, this type. Okay, chip this type CPU. Okay, so you can see here this is a one type of a CPU technology installed on this type motherboard. Okay, and this is AMD company. Okay, AMD company motherboard CPUs. Okay, so this is AMD company CPU, and this and this is Intel company CPU. You can see. So all of component, all of everything function, everything or instruction, everything. You can see here. This is a very important to understand about the motherboard. All of a part communication one to another side, and all of process and the program data communication everything depend on this CPU. Okay, so this is a very important for understand about okay, this is a work of a CPU, and this reason using a CPU system. So I'm again showing, as you can see here, this is a CPU system, and the CPU is, you can see here, this is a RAM slot, a GPU slot. I will discuss in one by one, but I'm just talking about the CPU chip. So CPU chip here, this is type setup here. Okay, this type setup. You are watching any type of a movie, any type of video, any type of picture, any type of photos, editing, everything by this processor. Without processor, you cannot start up anything work. Okay, because this is a very important of part of computer brain. It's called computer brain. So this is a processor is a very of a part, very of a high level type of work by all of work depend on only on the motherboard and CPU. Okay, so all of instruction one type of working everything, your functions everything, and controlling functioning everything on very important your computer by the CPU chip. Okay, so you are watching any type of data, movies, everything. You are really in a 4K smart TV. So smart TV have in inbuilt some processor. Okay, So this is a very important for understand about the processor. Okay, so this is a processor setup here. Okay, so different type of category processor available, and the different generation type of processor available. Okay, I will discuss in next some video, but today I'm just showing up here. Without a processor you cannot working any work, okay, in a computer. Okay, so this is a processor is a one type of a brain when everything work depend on only CPU. Okay, so third point I will discuss how work CPU. Okay, so I will discuss next video how work CPU. So today I am complete this how why working and how these using the CPU. So third is how work CPU I will discuss in next video. So thank you, have a nice day. Click on subscribe and click on bell icon for new notification when I upload, so you maybe miss. So please click on bell icon and subscribe. And any questions, so comment me, I will give reply in 24 hour. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day. Any type of questions, so comment me on, and I will discuss and continue on this topic. Okay, how work CPU. So thank. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech sketch. In this body you can see here my this online Nettech sketch. This type right and search here, and you can visit here. This is my channel logo, and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, paper, how to use in paper, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses, and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost, and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel, and you can visit, very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you, and advanced you can learn about computer. Okay, and visit one by one my, you can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me, and you maybe like, so this is very good for you, and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video.